Ever found yourself juggling tasks, deadlines looming, and feeling like your brain is conducting a chaotic symphony of to-dos? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized isn't just a luxury, it's a survival skill. And that's where project management tools step into the spotlight, promising to bring order to the chaos. Now, if you've dipped your toes into this world, chances are you've stumbled upon two prominent names, Trello and Planner. They both dangle the promise of streamlined workflows, collaborative teamwork, and that sweet, sweet feeling of accomplishment. But here's the million-dollar question. Which one reigns supreme? Which one deserves a permanent spot in your productivity arsenal? That's exactly what we're going to dissect today. Forget the dry feature comparisons and endless bullet points. We're going to dive deep, explore the nuances, and help you figure out which of these digital titans truly aligns with your needs and working style. Think of it like choosing a trusty sidekick for your adventures in productivity. Do you need the agile, adaptable rogue, capable of handling a variety of missions with flair? Or the structured, reliable strategist, meticulously planning every move on a clear roadmap? Before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture of what each of these tools brings to the table. Trello, at its heart, operates on the Kanban system. Imagine a digital whiteboard filled with customizable cards organized into lists. Each card represents a task, and you can drag and drop them across lists to track their progress, from to-do to doing to done, or any other workflow you can dream up. It's visually intuitive, incredibly flexible, and has become a favorite for individuals and teams seeking a straightforward way to manage tasks. Planner, on the other hand, is Microsoft's offering, deeply integrated into the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It also utilizes a card-based system, but it's often perceived as more structured, with a focus on team collaboration within the Microsoft environment. Think of it as a project hub where tasks, files, conversations, and deadlines converge. So, where do their paths diverge? Let's explore some key areas. Ease of use and interface. When you first log in, what's your gut reaction? Trello often wins in terms of immediate simplicity. Its drag-and-drop interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to pick up and start using within minutes. Creating boards, lists, and cards feels natural and intuitive. The visual layout is clean and uncluttered, allowing you to focus on the tasks at hand. Planner, while also employing a visual card system, can feel slightly more integrated into the broader Microsoft 365 environment. This can be a plus for existing Microsoft users, as the interface aligns with other familiar applications. However, for those new to the ecosystem or seeking a standalone solution, it might have a slightly steeper learning curve. Navigating between plans, charts, and the hub can feel a bit more involved initially. Flexibility and customization. This is where Trello truly shines. Its open-ended nature allows for a vast array of use cases, from personal to-do lists and event planning to complex project management and content calendars. The beauty lies in its adaptability. You define the workflow, Trello simply provides the canvas. Power UPS, Trello's integrations with other apps, further enhance its flexibility, allowing you to add features like calendar views, voting, custom fields, and more. Planner, while capable, tends to be more structured around project-based workflows. While you can customize buckets, Planner's equivalent of lists, and add details to tasks, it doesn't offer the same level of free-form customization as Trello. Its strength lies in its seamless integration with other Microsoft tools, such as Teams and Outlook, which can streamline communication and file sharing within a Microsoft-centric team. Collaboration features. Both tools are designed for collaboration, but they approach it with slightly different flavors. Trello excels in its simplicity for shared task management. Adding members to boards and assigning tasks is straightforward. Comments and attachments on cards facilitate communication around specific items. However, for more in-depth team communication, teams might rely on separate channels. Planner, being part of the Microsoft 365 suite, offers tighter integration with Microsoft Teams. Each plan can have its own dedicated Teams channel, fostering seamless communication, file sharing within the context of the project, and direct access to Planner within the Teams interface. This can be a significant advantage for teams heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. Integration capabilities. Trello boasts a vast library of Power UPS, connecting it to a wide range of third-party applications, from automation tools like Zapier and If to other productivity and communication platforms. This extensive integration ecosystem allows you to tailor Trello to fit your specific workflow and connect it with the other tools you already use. Planner's integrations are primarily focused within the Microsoft 365 suite. It works seamlessly with Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, and the broader Microsoft ecosystem. While this provides a cohesive experience for Microsoft users, its integration options outside of this ecosystem are more limited compared to Trello's extensive power-up marketplace. Pricing. Both Trello and Planner offer tiered pricing models, including free plans for basic use. Trello's free plan is quite generous, offering unlimited members and boards, making it a great option for individuals and small teams. Their paid plans unlock features like advanced checklists, custom backgrounds, and more Power UPS. Planner is typically included as part of various Microsoft 365 subscriptions, making its cost dependent on your overall Microsoft licensing. For organizations already invested in Microsoft 365, Planner might be effectively free as part of their existing subscription. However, for those not already in the Microsoft ecosystem, the cost would involve subscribing to a Microsoft 365 plan. Mobile experience. Both Trello and Planner offer mobile apps for iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your tasks on the go. Both apps provide a decent experience for viewing boards/plans, managing cards/tasks, and collaborating with team members. The usability of the mobile apps is generally comparable, with both offering intuitive interfaces for mobile task management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.